The Peer Action Collective is a group of young people who go around different areas to conduct research and social action regarding violence among children and young people. We have worked with over 1,000 children and young people and got them to engage in different forms of research and social action, interviews and workshops just based on their own experiences. PACC's trying to give them a platform that they wouldn't have had without PACC. You know, bring them to advisory boards where they meet these professionals and talk about things that they actually were struggling with.
So the Peer Action Collective does like a lot of different like activities and like workshops to get a diverse group of young people involved. So we've engaged with the LGBTQ+ communities in Newport and Swansea. We've worked with Bowser, which is around like domestic abuse and things like that. We've worked with young people with like part of the neurodiversity groups.
I think it's really important to work with a diverse group of young people because no one has the same experiences or upbringing. I can't be an advocate voice for a young person who has experienced racial abuse because I haven't experienced that, so I can't comment on that. We need to make sure that those young people are in the conversation because they are the ones who can tell you what is needed.
The reason I got involved in the Peer Action Collective is because I personally have that lived experience of the youth justice system, and being able to come and work with a project to help other young people that are also in that kind of system and have their voices heard, I felt like it was so important to me.
I think the project's unreal. It's just amazing because young people felt that they were being seen in this project. And I just think it's just really inspiring when you watch these young people go out there and do all this amazing stuff